how to delete all iMessages at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're tired of deleting iMessages one by one, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Normally, you'd swipe left on each message and hit delete, or select all and hit the delete button. However, there's an easy trick. You can go to your settings app and then scroll down, tap on apps, and there on the search bar, type messages. Scroll down. There under message history, you'll find keep messages option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can set it to forever, 30 days, or 1 year. So it means that if I tap on 30 days, messages older than 30 days will be permanently deleted. And that's it. It is a quick and easy way to manage your iMessages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.